Welcome to this introductory video on our course ST4 on linear models. So in this course, what we're going to cover is model selection and which models we should use. Why using a linear model is a good starting point for trying to get into that area. We'll look at how correlation and covariance are interlinked concepts like the covariance leads to our calculation of the correlation coefficient. We'll look at how we can transform correlation coefficients into t-stats and Cohen's d-stats as well. We'll look at linear regression and how we can decipher aspects of linear models. We'll look at the residuals left over from that kind of linear regression, and then we'll look at the confidence intervals and prediction intervals as well. So in this lab, we'll have course days on Tuesdays and Thursday to do different labs, and you'll have advanced access to this material before, in between the labs, and then afterwards as well. During these labs, and these videos, we're going to learn more about making a model, a linear model, and using and creating a linear model. You'll be able to associate variables that are in the linear model, and then do this all using R. So by the end of this model, you should be able to create linear regression models, apply that to your data of interest, and use R to do this. This course is loosely structured on this course on linear models in the University of Surrey. There are numerous learning resources that you can use to boost your learning, in which you can see these concepts illustrated more generally. So these are kind of general resources listed here. The points you get significance in nature collection is very useful. There's a more basic introductory statistics textbooks that's freely available in OpenStax. And there's also these resources here that have varying levels of complexity. The Hyperstat Online textbook, StatsRef, the statistical analysis workbook, elementary statistics, applied variables statistical analysis, and modern statistics for modern biology. More specifically, there's these resources on this area of correlation and linear regression, including information on Askins Quartet, StatsRef resources, websites will use Guess the Correlation and Psychologist.com correlations link. More links from StatsRef. YouTube videos by certain people on linear regression and least squares linear regression, and then also a link on prediction intervals and confidence intervals. So that concludes this introductory video. See video 1, which model, for the next aspect on model selection.